So I've got this Myford ML7, which is sort of a restoration project going on. It's originally ML7, it's got a Super 7 headstock on it. Basically just trying to make a more rigid, more accurate machine than what it was. Had a lot of play in the top and cross slides. Done a bit of scraping and remachined dovetails on the top, on the cross slide, and still got to do the compound slide yet. So back side of the tailstock, the headstock, sorry. You can see the multi-rib pulley I've installed onto the back of the headstock. It's actually just a plastic tensioner pulley off of, I think, maybe something like a Chev LS3. And it's literally, I've pushed a bearing out of it, the ball bearing that was in there, and just turns out it's quite a good fit size to go over the gear on the back of the Myford that originally drove all the lead screw stuff. So that worked out kind of convenient for being able to place the motor, because for those people that know Myfords, there's great big, they call it a counter shaft, though it doesn't turn in a different direction, but pulley system with two belts and pulleys to sort of get the belts and the speeds and everything right, and I wanted something very simple. I've left the original pulley system on there just to add a bit of mass to the headstock. Same with the back gear. The back gear is not functional, and the motor is this unit. It's from a company called Motion Dynamics, Chinese, 28 volt, 26 amp DC motor, maximum speeds 2,500 RPM. Just made an adapter block, and I found an old multi-rib pulley on there, so it's operating about, from calculations, 1.8 to 1 ratio, so it's probably going to be a little bit slower, but I've got a couple of different size pulleys we can try if I need more speed. It came as sort of part of the kit, so it has DC speed controller, controlled by a potentiometer, and there's a forwards and reverse control switch, and obviously power on and off. And to supply power, I bought two of these. They basically mean power supplies. Again, 28 volt, but they're about 14 amps each, so it was cheaper to buy two of these at a smaller amperage, run them in parallel, than it was to buy a 30 amp power supply at the correct voltage. It would have cost me a couple $100 more, and these were about $85 each, so yes.